What's up guys, Tech Tribe here. Today I'm making a quick video of the world map table or mouse pad. As you can see, this one I have here is the 40 by 90 or 90 by 40 centimeters, and if you can tell, this is a MacBook 13-inch, so I have that not necessarily at the end, so I have that space, almost half of it, and I have this space left just for reference if you want to know how big it is. So I was checking for the world map pad online. I had no idea there was the RGB one. I know there is RGB pad for gamers, but I had no idea that for this specific design, which is the world map one, that there is the RGB one. So I found this and I got it, and guys, I must tell you something, it is really a nice thing to have. Like, you have no idea how premium this feels. It feels really good. This part is made of rubber. It's rubberized, so it grips, it sticks to the surface where it's really adhesive to the surface where you put it on, and yeah, it stays really nice. And also it comes with a micro USB cable, which is 2 meters long. So if you don't know how 2 meters is, 2 meters is, say, an average length of your arm times 2. If you're a big person, you need to be big. Just imagine a giant stretching his arms or her arms from left to the right. That is how wide that will be. Okay, so with this button here, you can with a click of a button, you can change the colors. You see that? So you can set to gaming mode or to still mode. It's really nice. If you've been thinking about getting these, guys, I said don't even think about it twice, get it. It's worth the price. But again, I will tell you, it's not that big. So this is the big size I have, because I have the 30 by 80, and I realized it was too small, so I got the bigger one. But the seller, anyway, he sent me back my money because I explained how I got the bigger one, and he sent me back my money. So that's basically it, guys. If you want it, go get it. It's worth every penny, and it feels really, really smooth and premium. So I'm using my mouse, like, it's really smooth, guys, like very smooth to use with a mouse. So this is on Amazon, and the price for that is £14, £14.99. So basically it's a £50 one. And this is the 880 by 30, or 800 by 300. So basically that is in millimeter, but 80 centimeters anyways. So that is pretty small. The one I have is the 900 by 400, which is a slightly bigger model, slightly bigger than this. For reference, I'll just show you the difference between 80 by 90 and 900 by 400. So yes, guys, this is how it looks like. And in this carton, I have the 80 by 90. No, sorry, I have the 80 by 30, which is basically 800 millimeter by 300 millimeter. For just comparison, I'll just show you the difference, how this would compare to the big one. So as you can see, almost the same measurement, but this one basically stops here, and that is just the difference. So for this difference, guys, I paid £5 extra. And if I have to lay these on my Mac, that is basically what you see. This is the difference, guys. I actually prefer the black one because just in case, if you if you can notice that this is darker than that, it's up to you, it's your preference. I prefer the darker one, so you see the difference? I prefer the darker one. So anyways, guys, hope this really helps. If you get the small one or the big one, depending on the space you have on your table or on your desk, I have a decent amount of space to go for the 90 by 40. So that is why I took the big one. And if I even have the chance to get a bigger one, I think I would do the same, like get a bigger one. But yeah, just for reference, that's why I showed you the difference. So at night, with every light turned off, this is the kind of results you would expect to get. I'd say it's quite bright enough. It's not a very big table, and it's not a very big mat, so the light is fair enough.